Hello, today we're going to make Cookie La Cup recipe. All you need is 1 tablespoon of butter melted, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, pinch of salt, 1 egg yolk, 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips mixed together in a mug and microwave for 60 seconds. Eat. Yum, yum. So again, you need a pinch, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. If you didn't hear me the first time. That's how you make peanut butter cup. Bye-bye.